The EcoCAR EV Challenge is a 4-year program where 15 universities compete to modify the architecture of a 2023 Cadillac Lyriq while giving back to their communities and performing research on electric vehicles.
We're aware of the benefits of being participants in EcoCAR, and there was a lot of synergy between the technical requirements of the program and the things that we were trying to develop at the university. We saw the connection with General Motors being really valuable and the Department of Energy. The number one reason we do it is to develop the students and give them an opportunity to get work experience and doing things exactly like you would be doing it in industry, except for the fact you're also taking classes.
I'd say the biggest difference is in a typical classroom learning environment. It's kind of the dynamic of you have a teacher and a student, and the student learns the information from the teacher or professor on that professor or teacher's schedule. In EcoCAR, you don't necessarily have that kind of situation. You have a list of objectives, and you have a lot of liberty on how you get there.
EcoCAR is one of those activities that we always point to, whether we're talking to prospective students and families, or whether we're talking to our industrial partners, or really anybody visiting the college, as one of those hands-on learning opportunities that both provides an excellent opportunity for our students, right, to apply what they're learning in our classrooms in a real-world situation.
I came on not knowing much at all, but I was thrown to a project to develop the Maps application for the infotainment system, and it worked.
EcoCAR is an invaluable experience. Youth outreach is such an important part of this program, as well as reaching out to university administrators to connect with sponsors and getting the opportunity to not only learn technical skills, but also better myself as a person.
One of the standout skills that I learned, at least on the technical side, is getting really good at 3D modeling and simulations like FEA and just the general design process from an engineering standpoint.
That includes some battery work as well.
You think about a competition which engages students not just from across many disciplines in our college, but also across disciplines across our entire university. That's unusual. When you think about a group that takes really a commercial vehicle, tears it down to its component parts, redesigns significant portions of the vehicle, and then puts it back together, it's rare to find something that happens at that scale.
You have to get used to working with people that have different knowledge and skills, and learning what people are good at and being able to leverage that rather than just working with a homogenous group of people that all know the exact same knowledge.
With EcoCAR, you never know when a failure could happen. There's a bunch of new stuff that's coming. Sometimes deliverables change, the scope changes, so you're always having to learn and adapt quickly. And I've been at GM not even 3 years, and I've been in 3 different roles because I've been able to adapt and change.
Whether we're talking about what the students are doing to innovate, working with folks like GM and the other partners on EcoCAR, or whether we're talking about the things going on in our research lab sponsored by agencies and industry partners across the spectrum, I think there's a nice ecosystem that sort of feeds back information in both directions.
We're able to reach out to the sponsors, and they've got a lot of dedicated individuals that are there to support us and help us reach our goals, but also the personal development of they're telling us their stories, their experiences.
I think whenever you look at the alumni from UA EcoCAR, I think everyone has gone on to be really successful in a career, whether that's in automotive or not.
We've taken home awards from Argonne National Lab, MathWorks, General Motors, and the California Air Resource Board. It's proof that we really put in the work.
The real value in the competition is all the learning that happens before you get to a place like UMA, the proving grounds. Because it's that years of work where you've gone in and done the detailed technical work, and you've put in the hours to do the outreach, and you've put in the hours to really formulate and execute that communication plan. That's really where all the true learning happens.
Last year at competition, it was amazing to see all of the team's hard work in getting every single vehicle to drive. And our team specifically being one of those 2 teams to run the automatic intersection navigation event was also a huge reflection of both their mechanical team's hard work and the sponsor support and being able to integrate our dual motor architecture.
This program would not be possible without the support of the university and the sponsors. EcoCAR is an invaluable learning opportunity for students to gain real industry experience and is an opportunity unlike any other.